Oyo kabeire omonachibina omonene Emeritus David Maraga nigo atianigwa bene koba omunyekirwa bwa monchererio asensemo y'abanyanyimbo nigo abagakori eira gokora emirimo boikiranu korengana n'elichiko nabo igo okogania kwa bakenya.
Hi, Chief Justice Retired David Maraga, having been appointed as chairperson of the National Task Force on Improvement of the Terms and Conditions of Service and other reforms for the members of the National Police Service and Kenya Prison Service, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Constitution and the President of Kenya during my service in the said task force, without favor or affection, malice or ill will, that I will at all times do my utmost to preserve the peace and prevent offenses against the peace, that while I shall continue to hold the said office to the best of my skill and knowledge, discharge all the duties thereof faithfully according to law, and will subject myself to the Constitution